When dry docking the ship, first is prepare the vessel for docking. When the vessel is scheduled for dry docking, it being understood that part of responsibility of the master on board, the following precautions are to be taken. First is fuel tank content must be kept to a minimum. Fuel tanks adjacent tank which is maintenance works is program are to be empty and ventilated. Fuel tanks to be maintained or repaired are to be rendered gas free. B. The ship must be emptied from ballast and all free surface must be lowered. C. All double bottoms on the tanks are to be sounded and the relevant content recorded. D. Main and auxiliary engines must be fed on the diesel oil for the time necessary. Replace heavy fuel and feed piping. E. Diesel oil service tanks for auxiliaries and emergencies engines must be full. F. Electrical connection with the shipyard is to be prepared. G. Fire hose and international connection are to be prepared to connect fire line with the shipyard's line. Bunkering operation. At all bunkering operation, the chief engineer has to be bunker sample to avoid accidents or pollution. The following procedure is to be followed. First is let the bunker drop continuously into one drum placed under the drain tap on the manifold. During the bunkering operation, collect samples from this drum, 3 of 1 liter each. Samples sealed and labeled with the date and place of the delivery must be signed of the ship engineer and bunker supplier representative who will keep one sample. One sample should giving sure labs for analyzing remaining samples should be stored on board new disposition, ready for analysis in the case claims other problems. Bunker should always be received, if feasibly, in the empty tanks to facilitate the possibility of segregating different fuels, giving problems. Avoid to avoid the compatibility problems arising from the different fuels. Easy operation according to the Annex 6 of MARPOL. When the ship is temporarily immobilized, when the vessel is temporarily immobilized, arrangements are to be provided to ensure adequate safeguard against fire, flooding, and mooring condition. If the vessel is afloat, the master must establish patrolling on board. If the fire fighting system is not available, suitable substitute system must always be available. Such a system may be the portable fire pump or the connection of the ship fire main with the shore water fire system to the international shores connection. If the in for maintenance reasons, the fixed fire extinguisher system is not available, additional portable extinguisher must be fitted and continuously patrol of the ship, especially for high risk of fire location, is to be maintained so that a fire may be promptly detected on the extinguished. Furthermore, is required for the port authorities and or in the case of open framework, a suitable shore fire team must always be present on board. Flooding the dock, refloating the vessel. A. Before flooding the dock, refloating the vessel, check that all sea valves are shut and all piping being repaired are connected. Check the bottom plate, learning plug are fitted, and the tail shaft oil glands do not show any leakage. Remove all gangways. Disconnect the electrical connection with the shipyard. B. After flooding, the dock refloating the vessel, check sea valves and piping do not leak sound all compartment. To verify that no water has entered, check the water surface around the ships to verify that no pollution due to leakage of the aft tail shaft and gland has occurred. The master must establish a patrolling system on board. If for any reason the fixed fire extinguisher is not available, an additional portable extinguisher must be fitted and continuous patrol of the ship, especially for high-risk fire risk location, is to be maintained so that a fire may be promptly detected and extinguished. Furthermore, if required by the port authorities and or in the case open framework, a suitable shore fire team must always be present on board.
Señor.